What happens when an air conditioning expansion valve fails? This is an easy one. Your air conditioner stops working. The air conditioning is really a miracle of science. That expansion valve is limiting the amount of like liquid as a vapor or a liquid that goes through the valve. And that's what regulates the unit itself. And so as soon as that valve fails, your air conditioner is going to stop performing. That's where you're going to have options to either repair the air conditioner through diagnosis first or a straight replacement. If your air conditioner has failed, it's going to cost you somewhere between $3,500 and $6,000 to replace. And that's a great opportunity to try to figure out whether or not you want to address some of the comfort issues you have in your house. Are you too hot or too cold in any of your bedrooms or living rooms? Before you start replacing equipment, that's a great opportunity to figure out whether or not you want to change or add product that provides value beyond replacement.